Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to manage who can tag you in photos on the VK app. This is a useful feature that helps you control your privacy and prevent unwanted tags. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots to open More options. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can tag me in photos. Tap on it, and you will see multiple options. You can choose All users, Friends of friends, All friends, Only me, or Certain friends. Pick the option that fits your privacy preference. Once you select your choice, it will be applied instantly, and your VK account will respect these new tagging settings immediately. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.